green juice. That's where it's at. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a really long time since I uploaded a video, and I do want to apologize for that. I've kind of just taken a social media breather, I guess you would say. I got off a lot of platforms. Like, I haven't been active on really any platform other than Instagram. Like, I do use Snapchat, but I pretty much just use it for the filters because, you know, filters are cute. But aside from the filters, I don't really post that often to Snapchat anymore. And I deactivated my Facebook. I'm not on Twitter. I haven't been on my blog in a while, and I took a little breather from here too. So the last video I posted here was a Christmas video. And it was like a Christmas home decor tour. But yeah, so that was the last video that I posted, and I apologize for not being on here for so long, but I feel like social media can get really draining and just really consuming, and it was just, I didn't feel as inspired as I used to feel, and I didn't know what kind of content I wanted to create anymore. I didn't know if I wanted to continue doing beauty videos. Not that I'm not passionate about beauty, I just feel like I have other interests now that I also want to pursue, so I didn't know if I wanted to just move on or if I just wanted to incorporate those other interests into my YouTube channel. So I've taken a lot of time just to regroup and figure out what I wanted to do and figure out how I wanted to come back and what kind of content I wanted to create, and I just feel like I'm in a good headspace now, and I feel like I'm in a better headspace to finally come back to YouTube and create content that I feel like is good and that I really hope that you guys like too. So yeah, that's where I'm at right now. So once again, I do want to apologize for not being on here for so long. But I missed you guys. I missed filming. I missed creating content, and yeah, we're back. So for today's video, I thought it would be fun to start off and jump into my coming back to YouTube party by doing an activewear haul. I've been really into fitness lately since like January. I started working out in January and I have not stopped since. I work out pretty much every single day. Well, not every single day. I work out 6 days a week. I'm at the gym 5 days a week, so I'm constantly working out. I actually just got a gym membership. I think it was like a month and a half ago. Probably like a month and a half ago. Yeah, I want to say it was like a month and a half ago. I'm like confused now. But I had been working out at home for so long, and then I realized that it was time to like go to the gym. And so I got a gym membership, and I've been going to the gym a lot. I'm at the gym 5 days a week usually, and then I'll work out from home like 1 day a week, and then I'll take 1 day off. But anyway, I work out a lot and I have been really into activewear. I feel like my style, okay, so my style in general is, I would describe as like athleisure. Like, I like to be comfortable. I'm a mom on the go, I'm a stay-at-home mom, so I like to be comfortable. And so yeah, I've been really into activewear, and I've been purchasing a lot of pieces lately just so I feel good and I feel cute when I'm working out. Even if I'm working out at home, I feel like when you put on like a really good sports bra and a really good pair of leggings, it's like beast mode on. Like, you feel good, you want to get going, you want to work out. I love having really cute activewear to work out in. So I have a bunch of pieces here to share with you guys. This is going to be a collective haul. I have never been the type of person to just go straight out wham bam at one place and purchase a bunch of stuff. Like, I'm very selective about what I put in my closet. So these pieces are really key pieces for me. I feel like I could totally mix and match them if I wanted to, and they're just really comfortable and they're cute, and I really hope you guys like what I picked out. I mean, I love it. I feel like it's just that time of year where everyone's working out, everyone's at the gym, everyone's trying to get it right, get it tight for the summer. So yeah, I know my gym has been really packed lately. I feel like at first it wasn't that packed, but lately it's been pretty packed. So I thought this would be a really cool video to share with you guys in case you are looking for some, at least what I think are cute activewear to wear at the gym or wherever you happen to work out. So yeah, I'm gonna stop talking so this video doesn't take forever since we have so much to try on, and let's just try on these pieces, shall we? Action. I have my director right here. Hey guys, so it's a totally different day. I didn't have time yesterday to do the try on part. I got delayed, so I'm doing it today. It's actually kind of better too because the lighting is a little bit better and there's a little bit more sun going on outside. It's not as gloomy as yesterday. So yeah, okay, so the first thing I have are these pants, these little leggings right here. These are from Fashion Nova. They have some detailing right here on the side. I hope you guys can see that because I can't tell. But they have detailing a bit right there on the side. I love the material. I love that it has this elastic waistband right here that just kind of cinches the waist. And yeah, I feel like these make my butt look so good. I love these pants so much. I'll leave them linked down below in the description bar. I'll leave everything linked down below in the description bar. But I actually ordered 4, let me get down for here. I actually ordered 4 pairs of pants from Fashion Nova, 4 pairs of leggings, and only 2 of them fit me. So you really have to read the reviews in order to get your size right. These ones are in a size medium, just in case you guys are wondering, and they fit me perfectly. I don't think a small would have fit. I mean, they're pretty stretchy, but I think a small would have been pretty uncomfortable. They say love, repeatedly printed all across. Don't look at my fupa. I love these. I think they're so cute. And I love the color too. Okay, so these ones right here are also from Fashion Nova. They're also in a size medium. And they have this gold detailing right here. I love the mesh. I feel like it's really cute. It goes all the way down to the bottom. And they're kind of like a capri style, I guess you would say. So yeah, I love these ones. I love how it cinches my waist. And I feel like it doesn't cinch my waist as much as the other ones did, but it cinches my waist pretty good. And then there's that. So I like these ones a lot. I like the material. I feel like if I would have gotten it in a small, it would have been really uncomfortable. So I'm glad I got it in a size medium. But yeah, I love this one. I think it's so cute. Okay, so this next pair I actually found at TJMAXX. I had no idea that TJMAXX had an activewear section until like last week. I was in there for like home decor and then I saw they had an activewear section and I'm like, oh, okay. So these ones I do really love. They're plain black. I like how they fit. They don't have any like major detailing to them. I think the one things I do like about them are that it has pockets right there, and then it also has like a little pocket in here. Let me show you guys. Can you see that? I'm like running out of breath already. But it has like a little pocket in there, which is really cool. I like when gym clothes have pockets. They have like a lot of options at TJMAXX too, but these ones I liked the most. Okay, so this next one is from Fashion Nova. And I feel like it's loungewear too. I hope you guys can't see my nipples because I feel like it's kind of sheer. I haven't worn this yet to the gym, but I feel like if I do, I'm gonna have to put some kind of padding or something in there to cover it. This one I actually got in a size medium and I totally feel like I could have gotten it in a small because it's kind of loose on me and I definitely don't have enough boobs to fill this up here, but it is still cute. You could wear it to the gym or you can wear it around the house lounging. I think that I would definitely put something in there though. But I mean, it doesn't fit horribly. It's just, this is kind of loose right here. And this could be a little tighter. It could be a little bit more snug, but I do like it. I feel like the pants would be really good for the gym for sure. The top could work if you have the boobies to fill it. I mean, maybe a small would have been better for me, but closer. Hopefully you guys can't see my nipples. Yeah. So that's what that looks like. I feel like I love the color more than I love the fit of this, but it could just be my body type. It's just a little bit too big for me. It could be smaller. I should have gotten a small. I might still go get the small and then maybe just give this away since I haven't technically worn it yet. Okay, so next is this sports bra. I found this at Target and I thought it was just super cute. That's what the back looks like. I thought it was just really cute. I love the olive and black detailing. I love the back, how the back looks. It's got like a little bit of detail going on there and it's crisscrossed. I thought that was really cute. I got it in a size small. But yeah, I love the material. It's relatively stretchy and a size small fit me perfectly. I mean, I don't have any boobs, so of course it did, but yeah, I love the color. That's the main reason why I got it. Okay, so this next one, I love the color a lot. I got this one from Forever 21. I did get it in a size small and it is a bit snug for me. Like I could have gone with a medium. I feel like from now on, I just need to get all of my sports bras in a size medium because a size small is kind of snug. I've noticed that with a lot of my sports bras this far. And I always think a small is gonna fit me and it just doesn't. This is what the back looks like. It's a little crisscross. It's got 2 straps here, 2 straps there. I pretty much just bought this for the color and the fact that this was relatively low. I don't really like my sports bras to be too high up. I just don't like the look of that, but I liked where this one sat. I thought it was really cute. It does help push up the boobies a little bit, so that's kind of nice. And it also does have a little bit of padding going on in there. That way your nipples aren't really showing. I like this one. I love the color of it so much. Okay, so this next one I absolutely love, that I even went back and got a second set. I love it because it's long. I love where it dips right there. This is what the back looks like, and straps and stuff. I love it. It's slightly ribbed right here at the bottom, which I do love. It does have some padding going on. It's not like thick padding or anything, but I feel like it's just to cover your nipples. So yeah. So this actually I found at TJMAXX, and it came in a set. So these two came together, and then these two, the black and the navy, came together. They're the exact same style. They just came in sets. The only thing is I got the black and the navy in a size small, and then I got the white and the light blue in a size medium. And I feel like the medium fits me so much better. This one's a little bit snug for me, but I guess it's fine because it's kind of compressing. So yeah, still looks cute, but it's just a little bit tight for me. This one fits me perfectly in my opinion, so I like it a lot. I love this color too. It's really pretty. I've been really into baby blue lately. What do you guys think? I like it, so yeah. Okay, so next is this top. This one's from Forever 21. I'm wearing a sports bra underneath it because it's pretty sheer. I would actually wear this over a sports bra anyway if I were wearing it to the gym, but you can also wear it for loungewear too, or just any kind of wear if you're going to like an event or something. Like, I think it's really cute. I love the color. I'm really into lime green. You guys are gonna see a crap ton of neon green and neon yellow. I was just like in a phase for a second there, and I bought so much neon, but I actually really love it for the gym, for the summer. I think it's really cute. I love that it's square. It's got a square neckline. It is really nice too if you don't want to go to the gym in a straight up sports bra, like one that's really short and you need a little bit more length. This is good for that. Gives you a little bit more length, and it's really cute, and I love the color. So Forever 21. Whew, girl, sweating. Okay. So next, I got these two activewear, I guess, pullovers, but they're mesh, so you can see through them. I got a black one, and I got it in pink. I really like it if I'm just not in the mood to bear it all with a regular sports bra, and I just want to cover up a little bit, or if it's cold, you know. I like to put these kind of things over it. So this one, it's pretty cropped. It's a crop top, and yeah, got it in black. The neckline though is kind of high for my liking. I would prefer like a V-neck, but I mean, it's still cute. I like it. It does its job. And I love the color. And these two are from Forever 21. Okay, so this next one is from Missguided, and I am obsessed with it. It's so cute. I love the neon lime. It's from their Missguided Playboy collection. I think that they still have it available. If they do, I will put the link down below in the description bar for you guys, but it's long sleeved. It is ribbed. So I love that. I loved ribbed clothing. I don't know, I just have like this obsession with ribbed clothing. And then I love the half zip. It zips all the way down, or just up to there. So it zips right down to there. Not too much cleavage, but it's really cute. You can wear it all the way up if you wanted to, or wear it down. I think I'm gonna leave it like right there. But I love this. I love this for the gym. I love it for loungewear. I did an OOTD on Instagram wearing this. I'll put it right over here if you wanna see it, but yeah, I love this though. I think it's so cute and so fun, and it's great for the gym. You can wear it just over a sports bra if you're going to the gym, or if you're just wearing it as loungewear, then I would just wear it with no bra at all, just because I hate bras. So yeah. Okay, so this next one is from Forever 21, and I love the V-neck. I love the raw edges. It's long sleeved. It's very loose, breathable. You can just lift some weights in it. But yeah, I love it. This is what it looks like. I love the color, obvi. You guys have seen way too much lime green here. The next one is also gonna be lime green. But yeah, I love this so much. It's really, really comfortable. I think it's cotton. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's cotton material. And I just like to wear it over a sports bra. I think I've worn this probably twice at the gym thus far, and it's just super comfortable to work out in, especially if you want to wear something over your sports bra. So, love this one. Okay, and last but not least, this one is also one of my favorite pieces. This one's from Forever 21. I got it in a size small. It's a terry cloth material. It's like a towel material, but it's pretty thin. It's not like super thick or anything. I think you guys can, yeah, you can see kind of through it a little bit. Just throw it over a sports bra. It is hooded, if you like hoodies. And it's got this band here at the bottom that you can adjust if you want to. So if you want to tighten it up, make it a little shorter, you can do that. Or you can just keep it loose to where it's just hanging down like that. I love that it's like a half zipper. Can zip it up all the way. I like never do because I like a v-neck. I feel like v-necks just look good on me. I like how it looks. And yeah, I think I'm gonna tighten this one up a little bit there. Yeah, I love this one. Very comfortable. I believe they also had it in white, but they ran out of my size in white when I went to go purchase this. So that's really cute. Love the color. It's really fun to wear. Comfortable to work out in. Okay, so that's gonna be it for this activewear haul. Let me know if you guys want to see another one in the future. If I acquire more stuff, I can do another one for you guys. But yeah, I hope you guys liked everything that I shared with you. I will leave any links that I can find down below in the description bar for you. I will also leave sizes because I think I forgot to mention some sizes of certain pieces, but I will leave all the sizes that I'm in just so you guys can get like a reference maybe. I'll leave that all down below for you guys. I just totally blanked out on what I was gonna say. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe on your way out and thumbs up the video if you did like it and wanna see another fashion haul or activewear haul. I'm thinking about doing a bikini haul because who else is excited for bikini season? I'm so excited for summer and excited for bikini weather. I just wanna lay out by the pool like all day long. That's all I want to do. I just relax and chill by the pool. Let me know if you guys want to see like a swimsuit or swimwear haul. I think that'd be really fun to film, especially considering the season. I mean, it's been super rainy lately in California, but it's gonna get warm soon. I have faith. So yeah, anyway, I'm gonna stop rambling. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you and I hope you guys have an amazing day. Bye.